Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox Krnl failed to find Roblox process. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix failed to find Roblox process? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Alright, there are a few ways to fix this. The first one is to remove the kernel and log folders. So tackling the failed to find Roblox process kernel injector error starts with a bit of housekeeping on your computer. First, ensure that your Roblox application is fully closed. Next, access your system's backstage by typing percent app data percent in your start menu search. Upon pressing enter, the file explorer window will appear. Make sure your way to the roaming section and locate the kernel folder. So this is what's gonna open when you type in app data on the search and delete the kernel folder. After this cleanup operation, close your file explorer and remember to pause any antivirus program you may have running in the point. It's a crucial step to ensure seamless reinstallation of the now missing Roblox files. With this, you're one step closer to resolving the Roblox kernel error. After that, launch any Roblox experience. So you need to. This is where recovery starts. To accomplish this, visit Roblox.com and select any game or experience to play. This actually will automatically trigger the Roblox website to launch the game and reinstall the files that was previously deleted. So that's pretty much it. And last but not least, use the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. So it's very self-explanatory. After you do all of those things, you're gonna be fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.